That's it. That was your one chance. I'm not fucking getting shot.
Listen, damn it!
God damn. I don't want to do this. I got shot in the fucking nutsack. Fuck! Don't fucking do it! Fire! Garrett, fuck! Fucking shut up! Fire! 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 Loud noises! Fire! Nothing. Why is he covering his face?
Is he crying? Safety first. Put your sock on. Dustin, are you crying?
Got me in the fucking eye, you assholes.
Oh shit.
I didn't shoot him in the eye.
I didn't shoot him.
I don't think anybody shot him in the eye.
No, Rahulio did.
I didn't shoot you in the freaking eye.
No one shot.
Yeah, I shot you once you were down. I shot the curtain.
If it makes anyone feel better, I think I almost got shot in the foot.
Hey, hello. You have that room in that kitchen before Mom gets here. You gotta get it done. No, I meant the room in the bathroom.
What are you doing, you cock muncher?
Reggie, look out! Motherfucker!
I'm so stop, motherfucker! Who the fuck was?
I don't want to fucking play.
Walker, give me my gun.
I got you. Garrett, I'm not aiming for you.
Alright, he's done.
I'm not fucking aiming for you.
This is unfair. This is unfair.
It's fucking gang rape.
You didn't know that the fucking first time? It was funny. Put the fucking gun down, Julio.
Hey, put your gun out. Fucking get that one.
Put your gun out!
Why you doing
Stop!
that?
Your gun!
Shoot you in the fucking ball.
Shoot him!
Fucking shoot him, dude. Shoot him. Fuck
Holy
him.
motherfucking son of a bitch! I will fucking hit you!
Fuck! Walker, you were lying. You have one.
Ball sack.
Don't fucking do it. Reggie.
Ah! Everybody. Oh shit.